Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can clear your Safari browser's cache. Now clearing Safari's cache basically means clearing its browsing data. So what you want to do is open up your setting on your iPhone, then scroll all the way down until you see the option called Safari. If you don't see it, you can always search for it at the top saying Safari and click on Safari. Now once you're inside Safari, what you want to do is scroll all the way down and click on where it says Advanced. Now from Advanced at the top, you can see the option called Website Data. Click on it. From over here, all of your browsing history and your browsing activity is going to be shown over here. Scroll all the way down and click on remove all website data and click on remove now. It basically means you're okay with it deleting all of your browsing data and your browsing history. Click on it and your browsing history will be cleared, which means your Safari browser's cache will also be cleared. So that is how we guys can clear the Safari browser's cache. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.